No prior feedback rows yet. This is guess 1. I accepted the cookie banner first, then focused the search field and typed a common popular movie to start narrowing, waiting for the suggestion drop-down before selecting. Type card is green for my guess Inception a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 2010 by more than 2 years, so before 2008. Rating 8.8 is yellow with a down arrow, so target rating is slightly lower, within 0.5 roughly 8.3-8.7. No genre pills or green action, adventure, sci-fi all gray, no actor or director overlap. Constraints, movie, released before 2008, rating around 8.3-8.7, not action/adventure/sci-fi, not Nolan, not DiCaprio/Gordon-Levitt/Page. Type card green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 red down arrow means target is older than 2008, rating 8.8 yellow down means target around 8.3-8.7. No action/adventure/sci-fi overlap. Pulp Fiction 1994, 8.9 is an older, high-rated crime/drama film that explores a very different genre and era to test these constraints. I select it from the drop-down then click guess. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1994 is red with a down arrow, meaning target is older than 1994 by more than 2 years before 1992. Rating 8.9 is yellow with a down arrow, so target rating is slightly lower, within 0.5 roughly 8.4-8.8. Genre drama is green on target, crime is gray not on target. No actor or director overlap. Combined with the prior Inception clue older than 2008, target is a movie before 1992, rating 8.4-8.8, is a drama but not crime, not action/sci-fi. From candidates, classic dramas like The Godfather era, Schindler's List 1993 to New, 12 Angry Men, etc. Type green for Pulp Fiction movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1994 red down means target older than 1992, rating 8.9 yellow down means 8.4-8.8, drama is on target, crime is not. The Godfather 1972, 9.2 is a classic drama from before 1992 and very high rated. Even if rating overshoots, it tests the older era and drama constraint well. I select it and click guess. Type card is green for The Godfather movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1972 is red with an up arrow, meaning target is newer than 1972 by more than 2 years after 1974. Rating 9.2 is red with a down arrow, so target rating is more than 0.5 lower below 8.7. Genre drama is green on target, crime is gray not on target. No actor or director overlap. Combining all clues, movie, drama but not crime. Year between 1975 and 1992 newer than 1972 but older than 1992 from Pulp Fiction clue. Rating roughly 8.4-8.7. Strong candidates, Forrest Gump 1994 to New, Schindler's List 1993 to New, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 1975, 8.7, Amadeus, etc. Type green for The Godfather movie, target medium equals movie. Year 1972 red up means target newer than 1974, Pulp Fiction said older than 1992. Rating 9.2 red down means below 8.7. Drama yes, crime no. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 1975, 8.7 fits, drama, in range, near rating ceiling. I select it and click guess. Type card is green for One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1975 is red with an up arrow, meaning target is newer than 1975 by more than 2 years after 1977. Rating 8.7 is yellow with a down arrow, so target rating is slightly lower, within 0.5 roughly 8.2-8.6. Genre drama is green on target. No actor Jack Nicholson, Louise Fletcher, Michael Berryman or director Milos Forman overlap. Combined constraints, movie, drama not crime, year between 1978 and 1992, rating 8.2-8.6. Note guess count shows 4 of 10, score 710. Candidates, Goodfellas crime no, Once Upon a Time in America, The Shining 1980, 8.4 but horror, Amadeus 1984, 8.3, Raging Bull 1980, 8.1, Aliens, Back to the Future, Cinema Paradiso 1988, 8.5. Type green for Cuckoo's Nest movie, target medium equals movie. Year 1975 red up arrow means target newer than 1977, rating 8.7 yellow down means 8.2-8.6, drama on target. Amadeus 1984, 8.4 is a pure drama in range with a fitting rating and no overlap with prior actors/directors. The drop-down row appears around y equals 345 after typing. I select it then click the guess button at y equals 340. Type card is green for Amadeus movie, so target medium equals movie. The poster hint popped up after guess 5. The Amadeus row shows genres, biography gray, drama green, on target, music gray. Actors F. Murray Abraham, Tom Hulce, Elizabeth Berridge and director Milos Forman have no overlap. The pixelated poster shows a red/orange flame or sunset top half and a blue/teal lower half with figures, suggesting a dramatic poster. Combined constraints from all disses, movie, drama, year roughly 1978-1992, rating 8.2-8.6, no crime/biography/music. The poster's fiery top and cool bottom could fit films like The Shining, Once Upon a Time in America, Cinema Paradiso, or Stand By Me. I need the year/rating arrows from this row, but the dialog covers them. I will close it next turn. Type green for Amadeus movie. Target medium equals movie. Critically, your card is now yellow for 1984 with a down arrow, meaning target is older than 1984, but within 2 years 1982-1983, since older. Rating 8.4 is green, so target rating is exactly 8.4. Drama is on target. Biography and music are not. So target, movie, year 1982 or 1983, rating 8.4. Drama. Strong candidates, Fanny and Alexander 1982, 8.1 no. Scarface 1983 crime no. The King of Comedy, Gandhi biography no. Tootsie. Actually a 1982/1983 drama at exactly 8.4. Sophie's Choice 1982, 7.6 no. Fanny and Alexander, The Right Stuff 1983, 7.8. Let me reconsider Once Upon a Time in America is 1984. Given uncertainty, I'll guess a strong fit and refine. Type card is green for Nuovo Cinema Paradiso movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1990 is RED with a down arrow, meaning target is older than 1990 by more than 2 years before tilde 1988. Rating 8.5 is yellow with a down arrow, so target rating is slightly lower, within 0.5 roughly 8.0-8.4. Genre drama is green on target, romance is grey not on target. Actors Philippe Nwart, Izzo Cannavale, Antonella Italy and director Giuseppe Tornator no overlap. Note, a toast says you've already guessed that Media So Cinema Paradiso did not register as a new guess, still guess 6 of 10. Combined constraints, movie, drama not romance/crime/biography/music, year roughly 1978-1987, rating tilde 8.0-8.4. Type green for Nuovo Cinema Paradiso movie, target medium equals movie. Year 1990 red down means target older than tilde 1988, rating 8.5 yellow down means tilde 8.0-8.4, drama yes, romance no. The Shining 1980, 8.4 the drama/horror in range with fitting rating and no prior overlap. I select it from the drop down and click guess. Type card is green for The Shining movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1980 is yellow with an up arrow, meaning target is newer than 1980 but within 2 years 1981 or 1982. Rating 8.4 is green with a check, so target rating is exactly 8.4. Drama is green on target, horror is grey not on target. Actors Jack Nicholson, Shelley Duvall, Danny Lloyd and director Stanley Kubrick no overlap. Combined, movie, drama not horror/romance/crime/biography/music, year 1981 or 1982, rating exactly 8.4. Strong candidates at 8.4 in 1981-1982, Das Boot 1981, 8.4 War/drama, Raiders of the Lost Ark 1981, 8.4 but action/adventure, Gandhi 1982 biography no, Blade Runner 1982 sci-fi. Das Boot 1981, 8.4 is a drama/war and fits best. Type green for The Shining movie, target medium equals movie. Year 1980 yellow up means target is 1981 or 1982, rating 8.4 green means target rating exactly 8.4, drama yes, horror no. Das Boot 1981, 8.4 is a drama/war film matching year range and exact rating, with no prior overlap. The drop-down row appears around y equals 460 and guess button at y equals 456. I select and submit. Got it, the answer was Das Boot, the 1982 German war classic, solved in 8 guesses. The breakthrough came after The Shining locked in a movie from 1981-1982 with an exact 8.4 rating and a drama genre that wasn't horror or romance, which pointed straight to this World War II submarine drama. A satisfying finish navigating from inception all the way back through cinema history.